Exposing the secrets to building a standout brand. Today I'll show you how. First things first. Define your brand. What makes you unique? Identify your mission and values. These are the heart of your brand. Next, know your audience. Who are they? What do they need? Tailor your message to speak directly to them. Now, let's talk visuals. Your logo, colors, and fonts should reflect your brand's personality. Consistency is key here. Don't forget about your online presence. A clean, user-friendly website and active social media accounts are must-haves. Engage with your followers. Build a community. Content is king. Share valuable information, tips, and stories. Show your audience why they should care about your brand. Build trust. And finally, stay adaptable. The market changes, and so should you. Keep learning. Keep evolving. There you have it. Simple steps to kickstart your brand and set yourself up for success. You've got this. Now go out there and make it happen.